like a block from where they do, what's it? Supercar Sunday. No way. It's a block over from 2 blocks away. I'm like 4 blocks away. My bad, I'm lost. I'm trying to do something that I always end up doing when I'm in this situation, which is I went somewhere to meet somebody, to pick someone up, and like 10 minutes after you leave, the time changes. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, that's the apology for the really bad videos. Anyway. I kind of do this for fun, to kill some time, so I will try to, maybe get some, the structure stuff, the theme, purpose, think about the video, like, right before you push the button, as opposed to just like, oh, yeah, well, I don't know what I'm gonna do, yeah. You guys probably don't appreciate it as much as I do, but,